Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd?
Three-sided seal food bags are a popular type of flexible packaging. As the name suggests, these bags seal on three sides. One side stays open for filling your product. After filling, you seal the fourth side. This simple design is efficient and cost-effective. These bags have a flat, simple structure. This makes them perfect for many products. They work well for single-serve items, snacks, or flat products. Their slim profile helps save space. You can store and ship them easily. This reduces waste and lowers shipping costs. Despite their simple design, these bags are strong. They shield your product from outside elements. They guard against moisture, oxygen, and light. This is key to keeping food fresh and tasty. For more questions, please feel free to contact me.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.